Good morning, you guys. It's about 6:15 Monday morning, and I'm getting a good start on this day, getting ready to go live on TikTok, and then we're going to be making some breakfast and doing a couple of other things. So welcome to my vlog. It's still quite dark inside. See, the kitchen here is I didn't even put on the light yet, but starting to get things going here, trying to get my computer up and running. Let's see how that works out. But let's put the lights on here. Maybe, that's better. There we go. We've got some light, you guys. Alright, so get YouTube on so we can stream on YouTube. And then, yeah, I'm gonna go get those birds, wake them up because they're still asleep, and then yeah, we're gonna get started with this live. Come. These two little guys are all sorted out. I've sorted myself out. I've had some breakfast. Now it's time for me to do a little bit of admin. I've got some emails to send, and then I can get on with my day and an aeroplane going over. That's Kempton Park life for you. And we are finally done with that. Admin done, email sent, and now it is time to go check on the little birdies and see what they're up to. Ooh, bright sun. Thought I'd come outside and just come and get a little bit of sun. It's quite chilly inside, but it's such a nice day outside here, guys. Check it out. It's blue skies, and yeah, it's going to be quite a warm day. It is autumn now, so temperatures are dropping quite a bit. I'm here actually by my car checking it out. I actually washed it yesterday and it's looking so nice and clean for it. So check it out. I cleaned the wheels and everything. It's looking so nice and shiny. What up? So it's looking really good now. So I am ready to cruise around. I will be going out. I've got an appointment a little bit later this afternoon, and I'll be doing that. I'll be taking you guys along with me. So yeah, let's go back. And yeah, I still haven't gone and checked on Spike and Coco. I want to see what they're doing. They're probably having a nap or something, so we're gonna sneak up on them and we're gonna see what the heck they are up to, you guys. Well, there's no sneaking up on you, hey? What you up to? You're just chilling. You're just chilling. Where's Sparky? Sparky! Should we open up for you? Oh, let's open up for you. Let's open up. Come. Oh, little one, little one, little one. Oh, here comes Sparky. Hey, Sparks. What's up? Come say hi to everybody. Oh, we need to clean this cage as well, hey? Hey, Sparks. Need to clean this house for you guys, hey? I think that's gonna be next on the list. Hey, Coco, we should get this place cleaned, guys. Like, check it out. There's like bird poo here. Sparky sits up there at night and he sleeps there, and all his poo accumulates there, and I've got to scrape that off. So I think I should do that now, and then at least it's done, and then they've got a clean cage. So while I've got a bit of time before I have to go out this afternoon, at least I don't have to drive that far, you guys. So let's get started with this cage and let's get it cleaned up. Awesome. I found a great spot for you guys. Hey, Coco the Cocos. Coco the Cocos. Hey, little Coco Pops. Little Coco Pops. Oh, you smell so good. This bird smells so nice. I don't know what the heck. But, yeah, eau de naturel. Hey, Coco. All right, we got to get this cage done. So, should we tell the YouTubers, let's cue the time lapse? Hey, Coco, cue the time lapse. Oh, shake your tail, eh? You guys, Coco discovered water now, and that's the cutest thing ever. He's having a bath in the drinking water. Oh, Coco. Going head first in here. You like that? That's just so cute. That's a cute thing ever. You're having a bath. Having a bath in the drinking water. Oh yeah. That's so cool. Well, that's it for cleaning. Coco kind of took the center stage with that one, hey? With your little bath routine there, hey? Now you're all wet there. Hey, you're all wet. All right, so I've got a little bit more sweeping to do, and then I'm done, and then we can carry on with the day. That didn't take too long. Hey, Coco. Yeah, you should teach little Spiky how to bath. Hey, that's probably why you smell so nice, hey? Because you take regular baths. I didn't even know you knew. It's time for me to get out of here now and go to my appointment. So we're gonna hit the road and we're gonna do this. I'm very glad that the meeting is not too far away. It's probably about 10 minutes from my house. It's not going to be that long of a road trip, you guys. So yeah, but it's so nice and warm outside. It's still clear blue skies like this morning. Nothing has changed. So yep, I need to get out of here. So let's hit this road. Just like that, we're done, you guys. So great meeting, and yep, let's get back to the birds and see what they're up to. Hey, the birdies, you guys been good? You guys been good? Ah, it looks like they've been good, so that's always good news. Hey, Sparks, get some good lighting, eh? You're running away. Oh, bye, Sparky. Hey there, Cocos. Oh, stretchy stretch. Alright, you guys, it's confession time now. I've been holding something back from you guys for a little over a week, ever since I went to go and fetch little Coco from my friend last week, Saturday. So, you know, Sparky's got a weird kind of behavior. The way he is, and you know, he bites me, and he's like, you can't, okay, I don't want him to bite me right now, but like, if I try and touch him and stuff like that, he doesn't, you see, he doesn't really like it. And I was explaining to my friend like all these behaviors and all of that, and he broke it down to me and he told me like this. He said, Mike, your bird is a female. Sparky, come here. We've got to confess it to everybody. Guys, Sparky is a little girl. Sparky is not a boy. Sparky's a girl. Hey Sparky, you're a little girl. Sparky's a girl, guys. What the heck? So that is the big news. He assured me that Coco is definitely a boy and Sparky's a girl. That's why you like that, eh? Because females are weird like that, eh? Female birdies, I mean. Yeah. Hey Sparky, it's okay because you're still a good birdie, hey? It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You knew. Guys, so yeah, that's the big news. That's a big reveal. Can you guys believe it? I can't believe it. But at least now I've got a male, I've got a female, and I just hope they start getting along because Sparky is still so scared of Coco, and Sparky's a lot older than Coco, so I don't know why she is so scared of him. I haven't announced this to the TikTokers or to anybody yet, so you guys watching this, you're the first people to know about it. So yeah, you guys, let me know down below what you think, because well, this is big news. Okay, so I think it's time for some cold drink. Yep, gonna have some Pepsi, guys. This show isn't sponsored by Pepsi, so don't stress about it, YouTube. It's not sponsored. I just drink it because I don't drink Coke anymore. And yeah, so, but like all this announcement and all these things have just, it's just too much. I'm so thirsty. All this news, all these announcements, and all of that, it's making me thirsty. So let's do this. Let's pour a little bit of cold drink in the afternoon. It's such a beautiful day today. Work is over, by the way, as you guys have seen. Went to my meeting. It wasn't really long, like 20 minutes, and I was done. And back, Sparky and Coco were like, "What? You back already? Wow, we didn't even know you were gone." So yeah, that's how quick I was, because it was probably like 10 minutes away. It wasn't even that far. So cheers, everybody. I'm gonna get these guys to bed. What's the time now? I'll put it down there. Let's get them to bed. Sparky, come. Come to the spot. Look at time. Let's cover you up. Sparky, are you in your spot? Yeah. So Sparky sleeps up here and Coco sleeps down there, and sometimes Sparky poos and then it lands on Coco, and then in the morning he wakes up and then he's full of Sparky's poo. Yeah. Coco, you gotta find a new place to sleep, my boy. Otherwise this little girl is gonna poo all over you, okay? Alright. Let's here. Cover Sparky. Night, Sparky. Night, guys. Night, my babies. You guys, the lighting is so bad in here. Sorry about that. But let me show you quick. I'm gonna have some dinner, and I actually made this mac and cheese the other day, and it's still really, really good. So I'm gonna take some of this and I'm gonna warm it up, and I think that is gonna be that, because this looks really, really yummy. So that's what's left over now, and that is going to be my portion. So let's just stick this right in there. The microwave lighting is a lot better than the there we go, and that's dinner all done, and it's really, really yummy. So I'm gonna climb into this, and guys, I'm going to sign off here as well. So thank you so much for watching my video all the way through. You guys are amazing. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, leave a comment down below for me as well. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care. Cheers.